Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we explore how to create business brand guideline visuals using RGB in Photoshop. Brand guidelines rely on color accuracy. RGB ensures correct digital reproduction. Brand tones remain consistent across assets. Visual rules appear structured and clear. Business identity feels unified. RGB adjustments enhance clarity and balance. The guideline visual now supports long-term branding success. The final output looks professional and authoritative. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing